Hello! Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to set up an auto reply in Gmail for 2025. Whether you're heading out on vacation, taking a break, or just want people to know you might be slower to respond, using an auto reply is a simple way to manage expectations and keep communication smooth. Let's go through this step by step so you can get it done quickly and easily. First, log into your Gmail account by going to mail.google.com. Once you're in your inbox, look to the top right corner for the gear icon, which is your settings button. Click on it, and from the small drop-down menu, select See All Settings. This opens up the full settings menu where you can customize many options for your email. But today, we're focusing on just one important feature. Scroll down until you find the Vacation Responder section. Here, click on Vacation Responder On to enable this feature. This will allow you to set the start and end dates for your auto reply. This ensures that your Gmail will automatically activate the response when you're away and turn it off when you return. Next, enter a subject for your auto reply message. Keep it short and informative, like out of office or temporary delay in response. Then, in the main message box, write the content of your auto reply. You can include details like when you'll be back, apologize for the delay, and let them know you'll respond as soon as possible. If you prefer, Gmail also allows you to send this message only to people in your contacts, which is perfect if you want to maintain privacy and avoid notifying every sender. Once your dates, subject, and message are all set, double-check everything to make sure it's correct. Then scroll down and click Save Changes. And that's it. Your auto reply is now active, ready to manage emails while you're away, giving you peace of mind and keeping your contacts informed. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this guide useful. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more easy Gmail tips and tutorials.